Excel English Academy, and today we will read the 9th chapter of Standard 8, Marie Kom, the epitome of willpower. Epitome means symbol of willpower. Okay. We know about the Marie Kom. Marie Kom is a famous boxer who won the bronze medal in female fight boxing in 2005 Olympics. Okay. Now and she achieved number of success in his life, in her life. And today we will read how she fought against the poverty and number of difficulties in her life and rose to great height and earned number of prize and name, fame and money. Okay, let's start with the word stuff of this chapter. Hailing means belonging. Belonging means from where you belongs. I belongs from Muzaffarpur, or I belongs from Bihar. Okay. Pursuing, to follow something. Okay. Pugilist means boxer. It means the person who fights with fist. Okay. A turning point or decisive movement. Okay. It means the crucial movement, the deciding movement. Okay. Grit, determination, earn laurels, get awards and prizes. Okay. Now let us start the chapter, and it's a humble request to all of you, please go through the line by line reading of this chapter, find out the difficult words and solve the question answer of this chapter. Okay, let's start. Marie Kom, the epitome of willpower, hailing from a small village in Manipur. Poverty is something Marie Kom has learned to live with from a very early age. Belonging from Manipur, it means northeast state, and Manipur is a very poor state, and generally the tribe peoples live there. Okay, but nothing is going to stop this determined lady from pursuing her passion. It means after a lot of problems, she is not ready to stop. She is determined to get what she wants. Constantly tormented by her love of boxing. Constantly tormented, it means constantly desire. Constant desire. This lesson is about the dream of an individual who has absolutely nothing but willpower and a burning passion for what she loves. Doing that makes her scale great high. It means this lesson told us that if we do not have any means to get success, we can get success even if we do not have any means, but if we have single things, that is the determinations, and nothing can stop us to get what we want in our life. The single thing, that is the determination, is enough to get success or to do whatever we want. Okay, and this was the cause Marie Kom, belonging from a poor state, poor family and a number of difficulties, she got achievement in her life. Okay, it's a moral of the chapter that, okay, see, read the story. Magne Changjeng Marie Kom. Magne Changjeng Marie Kom. It means MC Marie Kom. Born on 1st March 1983. Better known as Marie Kom, is an Indian boxer hailing from tribe in Manipur. Belonging from tribe in Manipur. She is a 5-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each of the 6 world championships. It means she is a boxer and the only boxer from the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each of the 6 world championships. Okay. Nickname Magnificent Mary. Due to his performance excellency, she generally called by the people Magnificent Mary. Okay. She is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the 2012 Summer Olympic, competing in the flyweight 51 kg category and winning the bronze medal. Okay. She has also been ranked as number 4 AIBA World Women's Ranking Flyweight category. It means AIBA means All India Boxing Associations. She has been ranked 4. World Women ranking flyweight category, she became the first Indian woman boxer to get a gold medal in Asian Games in 2014 in Incheon, South Korea. On 26 April 2016, she was nominated by the President of India as a member of the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament. It means she was honored with the member of Rajya Sabha. Mary Kom was always interested in sports since her childhood. She took a keen interest in athletics while in school and hoped that one day she would be a good athlete and earn a name for herself in this sport. She entered into the world of sports at the age of 17 as an athlete competing at the state level. It means she has deep interest right from her childhood towards the boxing, and at the 17 age she started competing at the state level boxing championship. Okay. The victory of the boxer Dingo Singh at the Asian champion title at Bangkok in 1998 and the performance of women boxer at the 5th National Games inspired Mary to take up boxing. It means she was inspired by the Dingo Singh and the women boxer performing at 5th National Games. She decided to give up studies and enter the boxing ring with determination and a strong will. To pursue her dream of becoming a world-class pugilist, she joined the Sports Authority of India and took intensive training for the sports. It means she wants to become the international player, and that's why she wants to get training from the International Sports Authority of India, and intensive in this hard training. In 2000, within 3 months of her entry into the ring, she won the first battle and become the state champion. She was successful in winning her first national title at the first Women National Boxing Championship held at Chennai in 2001. It means in 2001 she was able to win the first national championship in boxing. Seeing Mary's potentials and determination, the state coaches of Manipur decided to take her under their wings. It means seeing the potentials and ability, the state coach of Manipur decided to train her under his guidance. Mary was taught the finer details of the sports, the encouragement and sports of the Manipur Boxing Association was also a turning point for Mary Kom. It means state coaches took her in his control to train her, and the encouragement and support of the Manipur Boxing Association was also a turning point for the Mary Kom. These are the two things that is very, very important while we have determinations and support from others. That is encouragement and support. Okay. The Manipur government appointed her as a sub-inspector of police in 2005. Mary got married the same year and then took a 2-year break from boxing. She gave birth to twin son in 2007. When asked if she ever thought of giving up boxing, she said, "I can't imagine life without boxing. I always knew I would come back, and I am planning to continue as long as I am fit. It means she got married in 2005 and gave the birth of twins in 2007 and took a break of 2 years. People thought that she would never come back, but she said it is the part of my life and I can't live without boxing. Mary was more determined than ever before. She worked harder. In the first comeback match in 2008, she won the fifth Women World Championship in China, followed by a gold medal at the 2009 Asian Games in Vietnam. It means it is very difficult for anyone to have a good comeback, but she was determined and have a good comeback. In 2010, she won the gold medal at the Asian Women Boxing Championship in Kazakhstan and at the AIBA Women World Boxing Championship in Barbados. Her fifth consecutive gold at the championship, she surprised the whole world with her talent and willpower, prompting AIBA to name her Magnificent Mary. It means she won fifth consecutive gold medals in women championships and having a good comeback and good performance after the break. The AIBA was compelled to give her the name Magnificent Mary. Due to her performance, excellent performance, AIBA was compelled. Clearly, Mary's life beginning from a humble background in a village in Manipur and then spreading across Clearly, Mary's life beginning from a humble background in a village in Manipur and then spreading across continents is like a fairy tale. It means how the name and fame of Mary Kom is spread from a local village of Manipur to the world level, and that is similar to a fairy tale. It is unimaginable. We can't imagine it how it could be. However, it was Mary's grit, Mary's determination and never say die attitude which enabled her to earn laurels for herself and the country. And the secret was that her determinations and never say die attitude. It means never. I'm always ready. I can work better than the previous. That attitude brings the name of MC Mary Kom from a small village to the world level. She is the recipient of a special award from the Amateur International Boxing Association, the Arjun Award, the Padma Shri, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The International Boxing Association announced Mary Kom as the brand ambassador of 2016 AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. It means after watching the performance of Mary Kom, AIBA make her brandship of 2016 World Boxing Championships. Okay, now it's time for the moral. What we have learned from this chapter? We have learned from this chapter that we could do anything without having anything. It means there is if you have determinations, you can do anything. Nothing can stop you to do anything. But if you have bad attitudes, you have not working hard for your determinations, and you are thinking that I have nothing, I have not this, I have not this thing, how I can do it. But it is the mere excuse. The main thing is that it is your determinations. We have learned from also the C.V. Raman, chapter C.V. Raman, how she had a good experiment in spite of no laboratory materials. But similar things is here in the Maricom. We can do anything if we have determinations. It is the determination that makes the difference. Thank you. Take care and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.